Any minute? Oh, I haven't looked at those yet.
That's okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull out all of these trawler. That's all benchmark. All these magazines to withdraw.
Okay,
And I'm gonna pull them out and I'm going to put them. I'm gonna have one of the other girls, not really right now, go through and separate them by their next court date. So
Okay.
that way we can just present them on the day of their court. Is that how you'd like this?
that'll probably work, let me think, but that'll probably work.
So that way we're not trying to get just one this there. They're gonna file on like crazy. Things like which ones have to be done. This one's gonna go ahead and get you to sign. This one is Larry Dick's motion to substitute on that things.
Okay,
And he did appear, he had Reuben talked and.
Okay.
Reuben fine with that. So it's gonna be on that one. He did file, has done discovery request and all that with the DA's office. Same names.
there's a few of them. Bauer.
There we go. And I don't know, it's which one's missing names or what. Listen, oh, which one's okay. February 13th. Not a rush.
That's your phone ring and your watch?
It's my watch.
Oh, okay,
I don't have it on site.
that's fine.
Okay, so I took all of these out.
Okay, I'll look at the rest.
And I'll just separate them and we'll show them to you when those people have.
Sounds good. Oh, Beach. All right, I'm Judge Wilson. It's not quite 1:30, but we have somebody present on a cell phone. I'm asking them to unmute.
Good afternoon, Judge. Renee Cantu, present, Judge.
Okay, and I see you, Mr. Cantu. There's a 903 area code cell phone. Vela?
Judge, if I may, that's from the unit.
Okay,
That's from the unit. Mr. Gonzalez is gonna be via phone. They don't do Zoom video.
sure. Okay, and that's what I was wondering. But I need you to unmute, Mr. Gonzalez, if you're there.
Hello,
Yes.
this is Cheryl Berger. I have Abelardo Gonzalez here at the Pallid Unit located in Palestine, Texas.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Abelardo Gonzalez from Texas Department of Criminal Justice, Police Unit, Palestine, Texas, plaintiff.
Okay, and are you ready to proceed, sir?
Okay, first of all, Your Honor.
Sir,
I
I'm
did
not
re-
asking for argument. I'm just asking for an announcement. Are you ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and Mr. Cantu, you're here for,
Judge, I'm here on my motion to withdraw from this case, Judge.
okay,
And I except for today.
and is it opposed?
It's not opposed.
All right, Mr. Cantu, do you have a proposed order?
There should be one on file, Judge.
And I
I
have
don't know
to,
if there is one or not. If not, I'll submit one.
if you can post one in chat in PDF format, I will file it. I will sign it and file it. I have not been able to access the Webb County directly. The last time I tried to sign in, I believe I had that ability before. So I can't go and look at stuff in the Webb County's file.
Judge,
Okay.
Judge, there is an order on file. I could forward it to you. It was e-filed back in December 16, 2022.
Okay, if you could either email it or just if you can copy it and drop it to me in chat.
It's on its way through email.
Okay.
Judge, and if I may, Your Honor,
Yes, sir.
just to give the court some backway. I had filed this motion to withdraw, Judge, some time ago because Mr. Gonzalez had been suing his brothers. And the court had previously granted a motion to withdraw in another case that Mr. Abelardo filed. He's filed, I don't know, I've lost count of how many cases he files because he files something new every month. And so the only thing I was going to ask the court is my clients at the other case that I was on, they had obviously no opposition to me withdrawing. The court granted that motion. My co-counsel had also withdrawn. because we pretty much were doing this pro bono to help these people. What I was going to just ask is if my motion for to withdraw is granted today, I guess that the court just mail some sort of notice to the clients. I could let them know as well. They are unopposed to this motion. They put it on the record at another hearing with the same parties. So if we could just do that.
And Rosalinda Gonzalez is
Yes.
coming in right now, I think.
Yes, she's one of the parties.
Okay, and she's just logging on right now.
Yes, Your Honor.
Her audio is still trying to connect.
Really, what the court just needs to do here, Judge, is just dismiss this case for want of prosecution. This case has no merit whatsoever.
Your
It's a
Honor,
frivolous case.
All right. Okay,
And I know
Ms.
it's for.
Sir, hold on, Mr. Cantu.
Yeah,
All right,
yes,
and I still can't get Rosalinda Gonzalez is not, I can see her, but her audio is not connected, I don't think. And again, Mr. Cantu, if you can, I've got my mail
Yes, sir.
open. If it comes in, I will sign it.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Justin, can you hear me, Judge?
Yes.
I can't hear you.
Okay, I can hear you fine.
Let me go to the courtroom. Give me 1 second.
All right. And I'm going to send a chat message to Rosalinda Gonzalez because her audio is not working. It doesn't look like.
Rosalinda, can you hear?
Nope, it says connected. All right, Ms. Gonzalez, I'm asking you to unmute. Okay, and did you have any objection? I'm Judge Wilson. Did you have any objection to Attorney Cantu withdrawing from your representation in this case?
No.
Okay, all right. We'll sign that order. Ms. Cantu, you are excused if you wish to be. All right, Mr. Abelardo Gonzalez, why shouldn't this case be dismissed for want of prosecution for nothing happening on it in the past year?
Okay, Your Honor. First,
Your court reporter, Ms. Cavazos, is not logged in?
I know I'm recording this.
Okay, thank you. I'm sorry.
It's being recorded and broadcast. So we're good on open courts, I think, because it's being broadcast. All right, go ahead, Mr. Gonzalez.
okay, first of all, I just need to know one question. Are you sitting in the 341st District Court? Because I sent someone over there for the hearing.
All right, Mr. Gonzalez, I'm sitting in my office in Floresville, Texas. Is the person you sent over a licensed attorney?
No.
Then I'm not interested in what they have to say. My question for you, sir, is why shouldn't this case be dismissed today for want of prosecution for you not taking any affirmative action?
Okay, first, Your Honor, if you don't have the record before you, I object under Texas Government Code 74.094E because you do not have the record before you, because I'll be referring to the record in order to rebut, because the Supreme Court of Texas held in Villarreal versus San Antonio Truck and Equipment that a party must be provided notice and opportunity to be heard.
All right, sir, you obviously have notice because you're here. You're
Oh,
being
yes,
provided an
yes.
opportunity to be heard.
So that's why I'm saying, sir, under what grounds are you seeking dismissal?
I'm offering you an opportunity to show why this case should not be dismissed for want of prosecution for not meeting the time deadlines for civil cases.
Okay, first of all, sir, last year, Your Honor, I made 6 filings with the court, including issuing subpoenas, Your Honor. If you like to look at the docket sheet, sir, I'll give you the exact date I've been filing last year. This is in 2002. Every month from May to August, I filed motions. Also, Your Honor, if I may, there has also been some pending motions before the court. I already settled with one of the defendants, which you graciously signed the order after sitting for 20 months, Your Honor. I'm ready to proceed to trial, Your Honor. Did you get a copy of my motion to retain the case on the docket sheet and request for jury trial?
No, I have not received a copy of that.
Is it on file?
I have no idea, sir. Can you ask the clerk's office?
Yeah,
Okay, you're gonna have to shut one of those computers off.
Judge,
Perhaps more than one. I'm
It's
sorry?
on, it was filed on January 31st.
Okay, could you send me a copy of that? Because again, I don't have access to Webb County's records. And again, I have not received the email on the order. If you just have a PDF copy, I'll tell you how to do it if you like, but you can just cut and you can just copy it and drop it in the chat.
It's on its way, Judge. I had to be coming from the courtroom back and forth. It's on its way. Jesse,
Yes,
what was that date that you gave the judge right now?
January. I have it here. Sorry. The last one. It's January 31st. It's just a motion. It's not an order.
January 31st.
2023.
Okay, and I'll also ask the district clerk's office, I received a printout from your office dated January the 13th of 2023. And it indicates that there was a motion to withdraw as counsel, I guess, filed by Mr. Cantu on December 16th of 2022. And the previous pleading to that was filed on, it says November 18th, 2020.
Yes, Judge.
Okay. And do you have records of 5 or 6 filings that Mr. Gonzalez just stated that he made in this case last year? Or was that in some other case?
I got the dates if it will assist.
Sir, I
the
was
court.
not addressing you. I'm asking the district clerk's office.
I'm checking on it, Judge. For the subpoenas, no, it's not for this case.
All right. Do you show anything between November 18th of 2020 and December 16th of 2022? in this case only.
I see a subpoena for, from Abelardo to request. Was it an indigent person? No, not for any of these. It's only for Alberto. I see for Alberto, just a subpoena for Alberto. That's all. No other subpoena. And you stated November 18, 2020. Is that right?
Okay, I've been given a case summary. It shows some letters. Request for subpoenas.
It's only one. And that's the one for Alberto.
Okay. All right, and
And one, well, I just saw another one for Guerra Engineering. That is it.
right. Okay, and do you have a copy of the motion to retain on docket?
Yes, Judge.
If you could send me that, I received the other two items.
Sure.
Jessica, what date are you seeing that?
January 31st, the motion to retain?
For this year?
Yes, 2023. And request jury trial.
Okay, I've just sent the signed order allowing Mr. Cantu to withdraw to the district clerk's office.
Judge, may I?
I just sent you a few filings, Judge.
All right,
Okay.
thank you.
Thank you. Judge, do you want me to share the screen so you'll be able to see the motion?
That's okay. I'll just wait till it gets here. All right, Mr. Cantu, I have your, I'm sorry, Mr. Gonzalez, I have your motion in front of me. On your motion to retain. Go ahead, sir. He's gone. All right. I don't know if he got cut off, if he hung up. I'm sorry. Could somebody at the district clerk's office call the unit? They're in Palestine and ask if, see what's going on.
I think that I do see him on the line, Judge. Oh, that's a 956 number. Let me call the unit.
Yes.
Your Honor, as I may,
Yes, sir. Who's this?
my name is Alberto, last name is Gonzalez. I got late to the meeting. I couldn't log in. What is this motion in front of us?
Okay, hold on just a second. I've set this, it's not a motion. I've just set this on the dismissal docket to dismiss it because it's been on file for nearly 3 years and it hasn't been brought to court yet. It hasn't been brought to a jury trial, a bench trial. There's no docket control order. And Abelardo Gonzalez was present from the unit in Palestine, but at some point when I was not looking at the screen, he is no longer here. I don't know if he hung up, if the unit hung up, if Zoom cut him off. So the clerk's office is trying to contact the unit there in Palestine so they can get him back.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Judge, I did send him an email. The line is busy. I'm trying to call back. The line is
Okay,
busy.
we'll give him a few minutes.
Okay. Judge, I just got an email from Ms. Cheryl Berger from the Law Library. She says, I have been trying to call back. Our operator saying all lines are down. I would appreciate if you all try to call to see if the line could go through. And she has a number and extension. You want me to try that?
Please, please.
Okay. Let me try that from the bench. That's the phone that's closer that you could hear better.
All right, I appreciate it.
Give me 1 second. Judge, I'm afraid that I did dial a couple of times and the line is busy.
Okay,
You wanna wait a couple of minutes to see if their line comes back up?
yes, let's wait until 2 o'clock. That's about 5 minutes. We'll try one more time.
Okay, let me see. Let me go to my desk to see if Ms. Cheryl sends an email. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No luck, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
No luck in trying to get through. The lines remain busy.
Okay, we have a call-in user 1. Has just appeared. Asking that person to unmute.
Hello.
Yes.
Hi, this is Cindy Cisneros, Region 4 Access to Courts. I'm sorry to barge into y'all's court hearing right now, but I have Cheryl Berger that she has emailed me from the Pallage unit. She says she was on a call with y'all.
Yes, ma'am.
The lines have gone down that way, so she's not able to reconnect. So I don't know how y'all want to continue the hearing.
Okay.
Is
If
it I'm
we
calling from
reset-
Beeville, Texas? Yes, sir.
All right. And is that something that, and was she able to kind of call you or she had to email?
No, she emailed me.
Okay. All right. Can we recess this hearing until 4 o'clock on Monday? Oh, here's somebody else coming in. Oh, that's another Mr. Gonzalez who got cut off. Okay.
Judge, Monday, we do have a trial here. At what time did you want to reset that, Judge?
4 o'clock?
4 o'clock. I don't know. The unit is very specific on sending notice with time. I don't know if they'll accept this, even though it's being reset from Friday to Monday.
We can let
Oh.
them know only because, since we are having difficulties with the lines.
Okay. Do you know if they do Zoom video or you don't know?
For the video Zoom, we will have to get that approved. If you were doing it over the phone, then that will be approved automatically with the warden.
Okay.
Okay.
So we could log in on Monday if you wish, Judge.
Okay. I'm just thinking out loud here. If that doesn't work, then I'll have to set it for a couple of weeks out to make sure we have time to get notice to everybody. So let me.
I do have the unit real quick trying again just to see, remember the lines are coming in and out, so she's going to try again and let me know.
Okay.
Mr. Gonzalez, can you put yourself on mute, please? Mr. Gonzalez,
Oh, I see. I'll do it.
thank you.
Or no,
Judge.
just leave it. You got muted, sir.
Thank you.
So she just came back on saying that she still cannot get through to y'all's line.
Okay. All right, so let me, I already have a Zoom meeting set for Monday. Let me go in and get the information for it. Okay, I've just posted in chat. I don't know if people can copy that. But it's going to have a different name. What it is I'm supposed to have a Zoom meeting set every day that I have court. And this is the one that's already set for court on Monday.
Okay, Judge.
And I'll recess this till 4 o'clock. If that doesn't work, then I'll have to renotice it.
Okay, I'll send you a notice immediately, Judge, to the unit.
Okay, I do appreciate it. And thank you all for being here.
Thank y'all so much, guys. Bye-bye. Have a good day.
Thank you. Ma'am, can
Bye-bye.
you let Ms. Cheryl
Burger,
know
yes,
that we're
I sure
gonna
will,
be reset? Thank you.
for 4 o'clock.